This 2007 Dodge Grand Caravan is brought to you by Imports Auto Group LLC. Vantage Mobility Conversion Handicap Van. Wheelchair accessibility, power floor side ramp. Low miles 118K. Power sliding doors, removable driver seat, passenger side wheelchair lock, power driver seats, one button power ramp and door operation. Handicap van, power wheelchair ramp, extended long wheelbase. One owner, auto transmission, runs and drives like new. Newer tires all around, cold AC, power doors and windows, rear AC, ramp will not operate. We beat everyone in AMP number 39 as prices. Must CIT call now or text 330-475-4817 for more picks and deals like this one. Please visit www.onlineautowarehouse.com or www.importsautoGroup.com for the best deals for less. Wheelchair vans: Dodge Handicap Grand Caravan, Town and Amp Country Handicap Van, Honda Odyssey Handicap Van, Toyota Sienna Handicap Brownability, Vantage Mobility, VEAUN Interven, Mobility Works. When we say best, we mean IT.